Hello friends, this is Dr. Umesh Kumar Arya, Faculty of Media Studies. In this video tutorial we are going to learn a very convenient method of analyzing our research data in Excel. As you know, Excel is the most widely used statistical analysis software, and it is a part of the MS Office. It gives you wide variety of the tools to choose from, but it is slightly painful to work in Excel because of the intricacy of the different commands and a slightly difficult user interface. But Excel gives you the facility of installing the add-ins. That is, these add-ins are the small softwares which once installed they come in the add-in part of the Excel, and then they will perform their function while taking the help of the Excel. And one such software is Megastat. Now this is the Megastat installer Excel 2003. Once you install it, then it will not come here in add-in, but we have to do some homework before taking the help of this Megastat Excel add-in. Immediately after installing the software, we will go to the window and Excel options, and in this we would click add-ins, and in the add-in we would select the Excel add-ins and then go, and then we would click these two boxes and would press OK. Now I don't need to press OK here because I have already installed the analysis tool pack and analysis tool pack VBA, so I will close it. One more thing you have to do before taking the help of this Megastat Excel add-in, you will have to enable the macros, which you can do from here to Megastat. It will ask whether the macros should be enabled or not, and our answer would be that macros should be enable macros. And as soon as you enable the macros, the Megastat would be here in the add-ins. So now your data is ready to be analyzed. So this is the quantitative data. We are going to analyze the correlations between these values of the indices. Like if I share with you, then these are the attention index values. This is the economic attention index value. This is the human development attention index value. These are the various indices, and the states news have been covered and measured on these indices, which has given us these values. So now the question is that we want to find out the correlation between these values, which means that we try to find out how many of these indices have strong correlation, positive correlation, or the negative correlation with each other. So it's a very simple process. We would go to Megastat, we would go to correlation, and we would select correlation matrix, and it will ask for the range, so we would select the range from here, and this is our range, and we would click OK. As soon as we click, it will analyze the data. Yeah, this is our analysis. It has already taken the labels of the indices like attention index, economic attention index. You might have remembered that we did not select the labels, we just selected the figures here, numerical data only. So it shows that higher the value of the correlation here, stronger is the positive correlation. For example, this yellow bracket shows 0.970. It is almost, it's very near to 1. The value of correlation cannot be more than 1, so we can infer that in political attention index and attention index there is a very strong positive correlation. Similar is the case with election attention index and attention index. Similarly, there is a negative correlation between the media exposure attention index and the attention index. So likewise, correlation of all the indices with each other have been given, and you need to just see the table and find your own meaning out of this table. So we can infer right now that the attention index has got maximum positive correlation among all indices. It has got some kind of correlation, and maximum correlation is in the positive zone. So likewise, you can analyze the data, and if we come back to the data, then we see that this is the quantitative data, and in our field of humanities and social sciences we rarely get this kind of data for the analysis. Mostly we get the qualitative data, and qualitative data cannot be analyzed this way because this correlation is applicable only on the quantitative data. So if we want to analyze the qualitative data, then with the help of the megastat we can do that also. We would go to the non-parametric tests and we would apply any of these tests on our qualitative data. Like if we talk about the nature of the data, it is either quantitative or the qualitative. In our field of mass communication we mainly deal with the non-parametric tests. Non-parametric tests are applied on the data whose parameters are not known, like the data does not have any standard deviation or the mean. And I am talking about the qualitative data which does not have any parameters. So these types of tests are more suitable for the humanities and social sciences. And if I want to see the summary statistics of this zone, then I would click on the descriptive statistics and I will select the input range. For example, I would select this and I would click the appropriate boxes, like if I want to find out the median, quartile, mode, outliers, etc. So I can do that very easily from here. I must share with you that this process, which is so simple in Excel with the help of the megastat, the same process is very difficult in the SPSS. and it is more user friendly also. So if you click OK here, then it will calculate the summary statistics, which we also call the descriptive statistics. So friends, with the help of the Excel Megastat, we can analyze our data in a more convenient manner, and we need not to learn the various intricacies of the Excel, because the Megastat is here to help us, and all the commands are organized under this drop down menu, and you can analyze your data as per your need. Thank you friends, thanks for watching.